Have you ever wondered why loan documents look so standard? It is thanks to a federal rule called Regulation Z. Regulation Z is the set of rules that enforces the Truth in Lending Act. It makes sure you know exactly what you are paying for. Since 1968, this law has required lenders to clearly show the true cost of credit before you sign any dotted lines. Lenders must disclose the annual percentage rate, total finance charges, and the full payment schedule so you can compare different loan offers easily. Regulation Z forces lenders to show the APR, which includes fees, providing a more accurate picture than just the base interest rate alone. By breaking down these costs, you can see how fees impact the total amount you pay back over the life of the loan. Always look for the official Truth in Lending disclosure box before signing. It is your best tool for avoiding hidden costs. Understanding Regulation Z helps you borrow smarter. Check back for more basics on how financial rules protect your wallet.